Hello, this is Claudia with Mallard Digital Marketing. So we spoke on the phone earlier, and like I said, in this video I'm just going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence. So right now I have your website pulled up, and going through it's great visually. I love the photos, I love the reviews, all of that is really great. But one thing that Google looks at when ranking your website is the amount of words on the front page. So I would estimate that you probably have about 500 at most. For Google to fully optimize your site, you need at least 1,500 words on that home page and several words on the back pages as well. So that's one way that you can improve and get your website ranked higher. So if we look at your top competition in the area, which is DMAR, Concrete Contractors, they definitely have a little bit more words than you. I would say they have closer to 700, but you can easily beat them out there. Google isn't able to fully optimize their site as well because of that, and so by beating them out in the amount of words that you have, you can easily get above them. There's some other factors when it comes to those words that you use. So I have this tool called SEO Quake, and it just pulls your keywords from your website. And so for keywords, you really want buyer intent keywords. So that's where you're located and what you do. So for example, in your area, you would say concrete contractors in Waco. So right now, if you look at your keywords, you do have some that say concrete, but none of them have that you're a concrete contractor or your location together. So you want those buyer intent keywords, because then when someone looks that up, Google will recognize that those words are also on your website and rank you at the top. So let's take a look at your competitors' keywords using that same tool. It looks like they have concrete construction, their brand name, concrete contractors, their location, concrete repair work design. So they have a little bit better words. They have some with their location and some with what they do, but they don't have any that have both. And so that's, again, somewhere you beat them out. You have your location and your service in the same keyword, and you're beating them out right then and there. So the next thing that I'm going to take a look at is what happens when you look up one of those keywords. For example, concrete contractor in Waco, Texas. So at the very top are these sponsored websites, which is something that we can do and something that can work, but it's something that should be a temporary fix. Otherwise, you're just pouring out money for no reason. What we do actually gets you ranked to the top without having to pay every month to Google to get yourselves up there. So the next thing that comes up is this Google Maps section. And so the very top person is Waco Concrete Company, and then there's these top 3 that it shows. So you're pretty far back, and you really want to be in this top 3 because this top 3 is what people look at. They have 5 stars. There's no reason for someone who sees them to not go with them. So you really want to be in this section, like I said, and there's a few ways you can do that. The main one is through citations, and that is through having your name, address, and phone number listed on sites such as Better Business Bureau, Yelp, places like that. So I have this tool called White Spark, and it shows how many citations you have compared to your competitor. So your competitor only has 6, and that'll be super easy to beat them out. You have 0 right now, so by having any, you're getting yourself up there. And if we look at their 6, we can actually pull up every single one of them and get those for you. In addition to more, of course. We usually try and get around 50, honestly, and that'll just really bump you above your competitors, and you don't have to worry about any of them reaching you anytime soon. So the next thing that comes up when you're looking this word up on Google is just the organic results. So DMAR Concrete Contractors is the first organic result that's not, this one's just the best concrete contractors in Waco, so this is the first actual company that pops up. And so we went over the words and the keywords inside of the website, but there's some external things that you can do outside of the website that help you to rank higher as well. And so those are called backlinks, and that's when another website links back to your website, and that just gives your website power, and Google sees that your website has the authority. So if we look right now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to copy and paste your website into this. Okay, and it looks like right now you only have 2 backlinks. So let's go ahead and check out your competitor by copying and pasting theirs into a new tab as well. Okay, and as you can see here, they only have 3, so they're not beating you out by a lot. The quality of those matters as well. If you can see that your domain rating is 0, even though you have 2, right? They only have 3, but somehow their domain rating is 2.7 and their URL rating is 4.5. So the quality of those backlinks matter, but you really want a lot more than them. So as you can see, we can go after those backlinks that they have, and we can see that these are super strong backlinks. They are concrete contractors, blogs, contractors. So you want ones that are relevant as well, that matters. And so this is another place you can beat them out. So those are just a few of the many things that we would be able to do to help you out. We can get you ranking higher on Google and get you more customers. And so if you would like to talk more about this, my name is Claudia. I run this company with my husband. We're Mallard Digital Marketing, and you can give me a call at 910-725-8405. Thanks. Have a great day.